Here we go. I just got the wheels done. These things look sweet on here.
Well, we're back. My hair's just as crazy. We got wheels for the truck. We're gonna try to make it faster and autocross it and maybe lower it. No, definitely lower it. We don't know the best plan of action though. To lower the front because it springs in the front. So should we heat them up or should we cut them? Should we try to find Miata ones? What fits this thing? If anybody knows, comment below. Let us know. Or else we're just probably gonna cut them. And then we're gonna flip the axle on the back. I'm gonna put it on top of the leaf springs. And then it'll have a mean stance with these suckers. These. I'm freaking hot now.
Woo! Alright, so we gotta get these tires put on this truck to see if they fit. We did a test one when we got them to see if it would. It almost touches the shock on the front. We didn't try them on the back yet. So that's gonna be what we're doing today. Is just getting these tires on here. Maybe cleaning this thing up a little bit because we left it outside for so long that there's bird turds and all the other things.
Now it's on you to do this.
Yes, something I have to do. Put wheels on it. Alright. This thing's gonna look so sweet. I'm so excited.
Look how normal it looks now.
What was that?
I was gonna say, looks like a f***ing little bitch. Now you're gonna have to bleep all that out.
Mason had to run into town to get more parts. I just got the wheels done. And dang, these things look sweet on here. I can't see it so well. See, this is my main issue with black wheels. I am not a huge fan of having black wheels on a vehicle. A lot of people do because it's just kind of simple. In my mind, it's simple and it looks good. It's not a bad look, but I'm just a huge fan that this thing has some wheels on it. That definitely helps with the appearance. Now lowering it, I mean, I don't know how much we can lower it in the front. We're gonna have to roll these fenders. Man, this is gonna be a ridiculous project. I'm gonna enjoy the heck out of it. The back might fare a little better, but these fender flares on this thing, these little wheel arches, I think are gonna cause an issue unless we can really roll this out. Plus it's like part of the door. It's like under the door, it splits. It's a weird design. He's back!
Whoa.
Yeah.
That looks
saying.
way cooler.
It's so much better.
Yeah, it is.
Even though I don't like black wheels, it's just better.
Anything's better than what was on there.
That's true. These are just terrible. Who decided in the world that this was just going to be acceptable in any circumstance?
Dang!
Yeah. Can't wait till it's lowered.
Totally have enough room too.
Yeah.
Lower the back and might match the front.
So our goal, one of our goals for this, autocross it, obviously. Another goal is to get it featured on the Instagram page of Lowered Lifestyle. Just because it's so quirky, I think it would, you know, get some attention. If I can get a turbo mower featured on a 1320 video, I can get this featured on Lowered Lifestyle. And this is just the first step of the project so far. We needed something to give it some stance.
The back looks beautiful.
Yeah, it's like perfectly stanced. Not a ton, just enough. And that is why the girls like me. Not a ton, just enough. Well, only one girl, of course.
I need to pay my taxes.
Oh.
I forgot about this almost.
You forgot about that, you know, really important thing that people have to do regularly?
Almost. 20th of the month, though. You know what that means.
It's that time of the month for you, or what? Does it come with the hair?
Comes 4 times annually. Can you say it like that? Or 4 times every year?
It's
Annually, it comes 4 times. Anally, it comes 4 times. You're sick. Dude, you know, instead of lowering it, we can get some big knobby tires too, and just frick go monster truck style with the thing. We have the clearance. Not really.
yeah, but it doesn't go fast enough, and it's rear-wheel drive. Like, that's it. So if it was a 4-wheel drive one, I'd be all about it. Let's turn this thing to a pre-runner. That's what I would say. Because it's electric, like a Tesla.
Because it's electric. Dun, 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 dun.
If you guys got any ideas for this thing, we're gonna lower it, that's for sure. We got the wheels, but that's about it. We don't really know exactly what else to do. There's a couple ideas floating around in my mind. What color should we do this thing? Should we keep it white? Should we add some stickers? I don't know. Let us know in the comments what you think, because that is important. You know, we're doing this because we like to do it, but we also want you to enjoy it, so you know, tell us what you want, and we'll probably attempt to get somewhat close to that.
Especially if it involves Germ putting his life in danger.
In danger, yeah. If I have to jump this thing,
I'm down for it.
Yeah,
if you have to jump it, I'm totally down. Yeah, well, it's gonna be the Brainerd party wagon.
the party wagon, yeah.
We're just gonna roll around and, you know, go check out cars, drink sodas, and drive it around.
And autocross it.
Yeah, drink sodas and autocross. I mean, yeah, sodas. And autocross it.
No drinking and racing. Mickey. Joe bought me a present for my birthday, and I wasn't here. Wasn't here to get it. So Joe, this is for you. You have your own part of the video.
You even put it in your favorite little...
Dude, in my favorite colored bag. I love this. This is so great.
So he hasn't looked in it because he didn't want to ruin this.
I didn't want to ruin it. I wanted to do it on camera because I appreciate the heck out of this. I mean,
He already got both of us those gloves.
yeah, you got us gloves and these things. Heavy duty.
What do we got here?
More pink wrapping paper. Dude, blenders. Dude, these are sick. What? Joe, you're my main man.
Are there stars on them?
Are there stars?
Or is that just like the wood grain?
No, it looks like it's like a turtle shelly kind of look, but these are Mo Freedom. That's what they are. Dude, these are sweet. I'm a fan. I love these. Oh, yes.
That completes the hipster look.
The hipster look. Yeah, now I can go, you know.
Here, get on your bike.
Yeah, oh, yep. I'm on my way to a brewery to have some craft IPAs. Here we go. Typical hipster. I don't know how to work on
You like
things.
the hipster version of the Wicked Witch of the West. Witch of the West.
Yes, here I go.
You're that.
Also, hey, this is free reign. Now, Mason was telling me this bike is free reign for anything. What should we do to this?
Yeah, look at the frame.
Look at the frame. This is sweet right here, this bit.
Yeah.
Sick chain guard. It's a Jaguar.
Yep.
It's basically an E-Type.
It's a Schwinn Jaguar from Walmart.
What should we do with this? I'm thinking
Parts.
moped. I mean, yeah, parts. Yeah.
I'm thinking parts.
Parts?
There's some good parts on there we could use.
Dude, these shades are sick. Joe, thank you. Appreciate it. You didn't have to do that. I mean, dang. Happy birthday to me. One thing we didn't really check for is turning radius, so we should probably crank it.
Wow.
Full lock. Dude, it's basically a drift car.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, turning radius is good on this thing. Sweet. We're gonna be able to autocross foot to the floor the whole time.
Definitely gonna be able to lower it below clearance too. We already have that race suspension.
Yeah.
And we have the race steering wheel cover. How do I look in it with these on there?
Just ladder up.
You know how much cooler it would look without that hump on the top, though?
No, I kind of like that. Like if it was just chopped, are you gonna chop that? And no, yeah. It does have the SNOOKI
The SNOOKI POOF look. But up next, probably gonna rent that scan tool, or we have in town, what's the place called?
E-Ride.
E-Ride, and they do nothing but electric vehicles. And I've already been there and talked to them, and they said that the controller I have is like the same thing, that because they have like the same kind of like mini trucks, but they don't look as round. They're more boxy. But they say the controllers are the same, and they have a scan tool. That was when it was running though. Now it's not running, so I'm gonna ask them if they can help me out, read some codes and stuff. But yeah, we're gonna rent the scan tool or bring it up there, get that figured out so it actually goes. And then we're gonna start flipping the axle and stuff, I think. That'll be before the snow flies, both those things too. And we got what?
3 days.
Oh shit, I suppose. last year at this time it was snowing, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's time.
Up here in Minnesota, you get about 6 months of warm weather and 6 months of cold weather. Winter's coming. We gotta get in gear and get some of this stuff going, because you don't want it to sit outside, because once it snows a couple times, it ain't moving. And we can't let this thing sit outside anyway, so. And I'd like to drive it in and out of the shop, not just have it be dead in the shop. And we can't let it sit outside because the batteries would freeze on us.
So we bought a giant yard ornament.
Yeah, paperweight.
Big old paperweight.
More to come on the mini truck for sure, but we'll have some other fun stuff coming up. So stay tuned, like and subscribe if you haven't yet, and we'll see you next time.